the candy. Candy kitchen. Oh my god, they're gonna turn
What
it
fell
on.
off? Like I took the casing off, and the lamination fell off. So I got a new one.
Take a picture.
Okay, right.
Oh my gosh!
Do I
Look
push
at all
it
the
here?
freaking people.
No, you can't do it. You gotta make it. Hey, Jesse. And they just don't make a smiley face.
Oh, I forgot about Owen. Oh, I do it. Ready? Do it again.
Dad,
Make a picture.
Dad, look.
Oh!
What is it?
Look at all the people.
There we
Kelsey, there's something stuck to
Where,
your
down on
tongue.
the corner?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, that one's good.
What's wrong with it?
Well, there's just a lot of people that are gonna cross the street.
Wow, that's normal.
How are they gonna cross?
Yeah, we gotta take you there.
There's a guy in the scooter.
Oh my
Maybe she
god.
left.
No, she's at the ice.
Yeah, there she is. There she goes.
Nah.
There she is.
There's nothing that is going to make you leave. Nothing. Alright?